If you are old school like me and you like to create websites in WordPress, this is a video for you. I will show you exactly how you can create this page over here. I mean this whole website with a builder. I will show you how to easily customize the whole page like this one with this builder, Themify builder, really nice builder. See, you can create sections, you can edit sections, really easy. Everything in this video. So let's begin. Now the first thing is we need to install WordPress, and to install WordPress we are going to this page at Softaculos from our cPanel, and we go to this custom install. Right here we have to select HTTPS and www, this one, or you can also choose this one of these two. Then you need to choose your domain or subdomain with no directory, and that's pretty much it. You have to put here your website name, your description, your username and password, and your admin email. Of course, you can use your own Gmail or iCloud email or whatever email you're using, the website language, and let's go further. Here, if you need to add automatic backups, you can add from here or not. Backup location, it's good like this, and that's pretty much it. Then after we have this in place, we go and press install. Now after we have our website installed, we need to go here at the admin panel, and this is our WordPress dashboard. And here we need to go at plugins and add new plugin. The first plugin that I usually create or add is this one, Classic Editor. I will install it quickly. I will delete the other two. We don't need them. I go to settings, go to reading, and here make sure you have selected this as homepage and save. Then go to permalinks and add this one, post name, as our permalink, and save. Of course, go to general and make sure here everything is in place. Make sure you have the right time zone, the right date format, and save. Then go to plugins, go to add new plugin, and search for Themify. And let's find our theme. This one is Themify Builder. Press install and activate. Now we have our Themify Builder, which is here. Go to this tab and let's find out. This builder is responsive, which is really nice. We also have some modules here pre-installed. You can deactivate them here if you want. Now we go to our page, all pages. At our front page, I go to edit. I'm gonna delete everything here and press update. Also make sure here is our home page. Update again. Then we have this option here, Themify Builder. You can create or build something from here, or you can go to page options and add footer or no footer if you want, but we don't need to do that. And go here and at our page, and this is our home page. But what I don't like here, I go to edit. I don't like that title over there. Let's see if we can disable that title. I don't think we can from this theme, because we have also this theme over here, you know, which is pre-installed 2024. Maybe this is something that stands in our way. But let's go to our website and press turn on builder, and here is our builder. See, It's pretty easy. We can easily create our web page with our builder from this place. We also have these layouts, load layout, and you can search from layouts here, pre-made layouts, really nice responsive layouts. We have for business, contact page, blog page, portfolio, shops, everything that you may need. Then let's say we want to add this agency for. We press replace, and this is our new homepage. Maybe it's not looking the best. And why is that? Because we don't have the Themify theme. See, it's not the best looking. We don't have the Themify theme, so we need to install the Themify theme. Because right now we only have the Themify builder, but it's not enough. We need a theme that works with our Themify builder. So we need to create or add our theme, and I'm gonna add this theme from Themify because I have the license from Themify and I can upload my theme here. And if you want this theme, you can download from the link in the description of this video. So I'm gonna add our theme here, upload, Themify Ultra is the name of our theme, activate, and yeah, I need to press this. Actually, I don't want to press this, but I need to generate a child theme. So generate a child theme, and that's pretty much it. Then we need to save, refresh, and now let's go to our website and see it's better. Now we have a better landing page, but we have this side over here. This is a sidebar. I want to deactivate this sidebar. How can you deactivate that sidebar? You can either deactivate it from our page here at edit page, at page appearance. I mean here you can press full and update, and that's pretty much it. Or you can also deactivate that globally from here. This is our theme right now. This is our layouts, default single page layout. Let's find out. Single post, default page layout. I'm gonna press here, no title, no feature image, and no posts or comments. Save. Now when we go to pages and we create a page, let's say services, we will have our default option here. Press publish, go here, turn on the builder, and here we can select our layout. Let's find service, this one, and we have our page here, pre-installed, pre-made, really easy to customize. So we have our homepage here and also our services page here, but I need to add our menu. Go to dashboard, go to appearance, menus, and let's create a menu. Right, we created the menu, I guess, and add our homepage and services to the menu. Here, save. And this is our main navigation, save. Then go to our website, and now we have our menu here, which is kind of okay, right? It's cool. Now, what we can do also, we can stylish this theme over here. We just press turn on builder, and here we can play. We can go to text on this pen over here, and we can change the text, delete the text, and do whatever we want with that text. Now, what you need to know about this builder, because this is very complex builder and really nice builder. I'm gonna teach you how to use it properly. So first thing first, you have this plus button, right? With this plus button, we have our modules, our blocks, and saved. We don't have anything saved right now. Let's go on the blocks. Here we have pre-made blocks. For example, this one. We just go with drag and drop, and we add this section over here on our website, right? Let's say I want to add these two. Go with drag and drop. I will add it here, and that's pretty easy, right? Now this is pre-made, and everything that is pre-made here, these blocks and also these layouts, sorry, not this one, these are pre-made and these are responsive, but you can create your page or your website from scratch if you want. Just press plus, go to modules, and here you have all the things that you need. We need rows, we need a text and images and buttons. This is pretty much what we need in the first place. Only with rows, text, images and buttons you can create a full landing page that looks beautiful and nice. So for example, let's say we go here and we start from this place, right? This is our first module. It's empty right now. And see here we have, this is purple. This is a purple row. Inside this purple row we have this orange row. And inside this orange row you can also add modules here. I mean text, images or something from this place. Or we can also add another row. For this, for example, this one. So I add a purple sub row into our orange column, which is into our purple huge row. And let me make it more clear for you. I will go here at the settings, and here we have some options. And grid. You can create with 2 columns, 3 columns like this, or 1 column or more columns. How, depending on how you like your layout to be. Now, at every module here, or everything on this builder, you have this pen, you have this pencil, and you also have this duplicate section, this delete section, and this structure, and also this one, these 3 dots when you can save, export, import, copy and paste, or turn on or turn off the visibility to the public. Now, let's say I want to create something that looks like this section, or maybe something that is more simple. How can I do that? Well, we need a simple, or let me just, this is my website, right? Let's say I want to copy this page, I mean this section, from my website, and I want to recreate this. How can I do that? Well, here, as you can see, there are 2 columns. This is one column, and this is another column with my picture on it. So we go here and we make sure we have 2 columns. Then here I go to the styling the styling option and make sure the padding over here, padding, we go to the percentage and make sure it's around 20%. And now you can see we have this huge space between our top and our bottom of this section. And with this one we have this is called padding, right? Padding, it's everything that is inside this huge purple row. And you can also have margin. At styling we have also margin. Let's do it percentage, 10%. And see, now we have this margin. I mean here, this is our margin. I will save. And I will refresh the page. Make sure every time you do something, try to save. Because if you save, you will have also revisions. You can also save as a revision. And you can also load revisions. So for example, if you have problems with your internet or if you have problems with your laptop or something, you will not lose your work. You will also have the revisions over here. Then press close and make a refresh. I have some huge bug. Let me open another tab and I will open the builder again and go back. And here you can see this is our margin, this is our padding, and I will create a color for you so you can identify it better. I go to the styling and background, and at the background I'll make it dark, black, pure black. Now I press done and see here is our inside the purple row, and this is outside the purple row. It's the same row, but we have padding over here and have margin over here. Now let's say I want to get rid of this margin. How can I do that? I go here at styling, go to margin, and here I press 0. Now I don't have any margin, but I have padding. Now let's see what we have here. I have this text, right, with my name. Let's add here our module with text. I will add it over here. Now, it doesn't look the same, right? It's not the same like this. And I want to make it to look the same. How can I do that? Well, I go to this module, I go to the styling, and first thing I go to the general panel, because we also have module, heading, and drop cap. But I go to the general. This general panel will change all this text that is general. I go to the font and I will choose my font family, which is Montserrat, and I will find this one, for example. I guess is this one. Yes. Let's see what we have here. So it should look like this, right? This is something like gray, and the letter spacing, it's 2 or maybe 5. Yes, it's 5. And maybe this is more tiny, like this. Yes. And the font, it's around 18, I guess, something like this. Maybe it's 16. And I go here to the paragraph and press 0 at margin, because I don't want any margin below. And let's say it looks familiar. It's not one one-on-one copy, but it looks pretty much the same. Then I have this text over here, digital marketing. I can either press plus, find the text over here and add my text and create a new one, or I will delete this. I will go to this text. I will go to duplicate. And when you duplicate things, you will have the same style and the same text. So you can duplicate as much as you want. You can duplicate sections like this one. See, very easy. You can duplicate this section, for example, as much as we want. You can also move this section wherever you want on the page. For example, I can move the section over here and it looks the same. You can also duplicate this whole section. I mean, not this one, but let's find out. Maybe this one. You can duplicate this. And now we have two. And so on. You can duplicate anything, I mean almost anything that you want. For example, this image. And move around. You can duplicate text and everything that is pre-made. So for example, let's say for this text over here, let me delete this. Let's say for this text over here that I want just to copy this style of this text. What can I do? Or this one. This one is better. I just go here and press copy. Then go here and press paste. But if you want to just paste the whole text, you just press paste. Or if you just want to press paste to paste this style, you select paste styling like this. And here it's our style, but it looks weird. Yeah. Maybe it's not what we need. Let's copy again and paste without paste styling. Paste. It looks okay, but we have a dark text over here. This is dark and I need to find out why. You can also select over here like this to highlight our text and change the color from this place. Or if I want to go back, I can press this button, undo, like this and like this, and now we are undo. It's like in Photoshop, you know, it's undo and rando, something like that. Or I can go here to this pen, to the styling section, and this is a heading. As you can see, this is H1, heading 1. Because this is a heading 1, if I go here and change the font color, it will not change. But if I go here at the heading, at heading 1, I can change the font color from this, like this, you know. Or I can make it red or white or whatever, however I want. And I can also change the font family with Montserrat, like this one. And also I can change the font size with pixels, with RAM, or with percentage, or how I want. See, everything it's very easy if you can just you can just use the pre-made stuff, or you can create it by your own. But if you want to create it by your own, you need to know how to use these tools. And that's pretty much how you can play around. I learned all of this by myself. You know, you just, after you know the design principles with how much padding you need, how to add the margins, how to respect the font colors or the branding colors or stuff like this, everything seems to be very easy when you try to create something. You can create, for example, everything you want in Photoshop or in Figma or in other platform or in other program. I mean, you can also create your landing page in Canva if you like to. And from Canva, you can just try to replicate everything that is from Canva in this place. Because maybe it's hard for you to just think in terms of design. This is something that can be hard. This is something that I learned by myself. I learned how to just create something from scratch, to create something, you know, without problems, from scratch, without any design. I just know how to go on different websites and try to get inspired from different landing pages and just try to copy paste that. Then this is something that I can recommend you to do. For example, you can just go to Google and find something like this and find this one. Let's say I want to replicate the website that looks like this one. And then I don't need to buy anything, you know, I don't need to buy this theme, because I won't know how to work with this theme. I want to work with my theme, with this theme, you know, with Themify. But I can go here at live preview, and with this live preview, I can try to replicate this whole theme that I have here. For example, let's say I want to replicate this section or my section or any section that you like. And it's pretty much easy. You need just to see what we have here. We have a white row with 2 columns again, with a text, another text, 2 buttons, and another text. And this is a me image. And it's pretty much easy, you know. Go here, here, and let's try to do that. I mean, I will not abandon this, but let's make another one. I will add styling, padding, and let's add some percentage. Let's say 20 or 15. We need this to be a 2 columns. I need this text over here. Also, if you want to know which font they are using and the size of the font and everything, you can just press right click, inspect, and go here at this place, press click, and with this tool over here select this, and you can see if you go to the text, you can see what text we have here. For example, this is a let me press it, this text over here. This is, let me find again, we have this font color. That was hard. We have this 60 pixel, and this is the font, Jakarta Sans. And we also have this color. This is the color code. And we can see this is our code over here. The color code, this one. I can just copy and replicate here. Text. Go to styling, heading 1. This is our text. This is the heading 1 text. And also this is our text, right? Copy and paste it. Something like that. And we need styling. This 60, something like this. Now I need to go and copy and paste this one. Here. And I can do the same. Just see, inspect element, and try to find again the code color for that specific text. This one. I find the color here, and it's 17 pixel, and the height, the weight, it's 500. So I go to styling, to general, to font. This is the color of the text, and 17. The height is 50. Oh, sorry, not this one. That was the font height, but I don't have that font. And I can just go further and add these buttons over here, and I go here and plus, I find button. I will add the button. This is the link. I will add a hashtag. This is like a link, but it's not a link, Buy houses. Something like that. I go to styling, to button, background, and I can also copy the button color, for example, which is something like green, something like that. The link color is white. The padding of the button, something like that. Maybe this one with the border with corners that are rounded, and the general text should be bold. Let's find Montserrat, because I don't have any font. I have more, but I like to use Montserrat. Bold. And that's pretty much it. And if you want 2 buttons, I go to the plus, I go to the rows, and here are 2 columns. I can add like this one here, and another button over here. And it's not really copy paste, it's not the same, but I don't want to spend too much time on it, because you will get bored. But this is how you can do it, pretty much easy. And for the image, I just copy the image address, and I can add it here, something like this, the image address. And if I want to be like this, I just have to go here and make it full, and here I can add some padding, like 10%, and here I can add something like 10, and that's pretty much it. So it's not like 100% the same. I can retouch it more, but it's not much, but it's honest work, right? And this is how you can do it easily. You can also create layouts. You can also save this as layout, for example, test layout 1, save again. And this whole section here, I can just copy this one, copy. I will close the builder. I can go to services page, turn on the builder, go here, and here I can press paste, and I easily copy paste it, the whole section. I can press save, or I can go here to layouts, load layout. I go to saved, and here is my layout, test layout, and I can press either replace or append. If I press append, here this is what will happen. I have my whole theme page here, and if I go to append, I will have also my home page, which is extended in this area. And that's pretty much it. How you can copy paste things, how you can create sections, how you can edit sections, you just need some practice, you know. You just need to get comfortable with this theme. And I don't know, if you like this tutorial, if you like this video, if you want to learn more about how to use this theme, how to use how to create a landing page, what you can do, how you can do it, just let me know in the comments, and perhaps I can create more videos like this for you. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, press like, and yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this. Thank you very much.